I got a lot better in college, okay? That's all I have to say.
Don't you turn up a little bit so we can get a good sound?
It's on the... Oh,
You have to... No, we don't need to.
Oh, that'll work right there, yeah. Go sing it to us, Ann.
God of all creation, gave his only son.
Look at you go, girl. Where are you going?
To take our place.
Oh, this is totally going up on your Facebook page.
No, it's not.
And live with God forevermore in heaven above. He gave his unending love. All that he had.
How can anyone hear you out of the box?
He gave to us.
Because I was mic'd in the box.
Oh.
Please, you wouldn't have been able to even hear me if I wasn't mic'd in that box. And then they pumped it through the speaker system.
He showed to us
That.
when he gave us his unending love.
Oh, excellent solo.
Huh?
You're really a soft.
That's my stuff. I got better in college. That's all I have to say. I got better in college.
All that he
However, did you guys know that there was a projector screen up in the balcony? All the words were up there.
Really?
Where it was here? Oh, for this?
gave us his unending
All the words to all the songs. It was, at least the songs I know were.
So kids were staring up at a pie.
Yeah, like if you ever saw anybody ever going like this, they were just reading them. If you ever noticed, like, all of a sudden my whole box goes like this.